Hello viewers, hope you all are doing good. After the previous part of HTML, today I am going to discuss about how to make a table in HTML. In a table, there is two parts, that is row and column. For defining a row, we have to use tr tag, T tr tag, and for defining column, we have to use td tag. Here T for table and R for row, and here T for table and D for data. That means when you have to insert data in table, then you have to use the TT tag. Now let's see how to create a table. At first we have to create the table tag. Now in this table tag, first we will define row. So for defining row, we have to use tr tag. And now in this tr tag we will create column and also insert data. So here I have created two columns, and now we will insert data. As in the first column here will be 1 2 3, and in the second column here I am giving 3 4 5. Now let's see what is created. So here is 1 2 3 and 3 4 5, the two column in one table. After that I am going to create the next row. So here I am going to input as 5 6 7 and 9 8 7. Let's check. Here you can see that there is two row and two column, but this does not look like a table because here we did not define border. Now let's define border and see how it's look. So here in this table tag we will define the border. Now save it and see. Oh, it's looked nice. Now you can change the border size or color or the background color of the table, but this is the part of CSS, so now I will not discuss about this. Now let's go to the next part and make a timetable. We are going to make a timetable of a school or college where we will define the days and the subjects. So at first the top row will be the heading, and here we will mention the date. So for define heading you have to use the th tag, that is here in the place of D you have to define H for heading, so it will be the heading. Let's copy it and paste it. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, now see this in our website. Here you can see that there is 6 heading and all headings are in bold size, and for using th tag they are in bold size. Now I am going to make 3 more rows. Now save it and check it. So here is 4 rows. The first row is for heading and another 3 rows is for data. Now I am going to change the data. You can see I make a timetable where in 6 days has different types of subjects. Here the align is in left side. I want to make it in middle side. So for that I have to change the align to center. Now see how it's look. Now it's look better. Now I want that in these three rows here will be only math subject. So for that here I have to use the rowspan. So, and the rowspan will be for three rows. And I will make this as comment. Also in the next row I have to make it as comment. Now you can see the three rows combined as one row, and here only math is available. In the same way you can mix two columns, such as if you want that the upper two column, that is physics and chemistry, will be for physics, the only one subject here will be available. So for that you have to use column span. Here I am going to use column span, that is colspan. And in this quotation you have to write 2 because we want to merge two column. Now you can see that these two columns are merged into one column, and here I have to make one column as comment because this one is now extra. So this line you have to make as comment. Now check it. Now it's looking good. So in this way you can create a table using HTML, and after adding CSS this will be look more beautiful. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then comment below. I will solve your problem. And if you like this video, then go for subscribe this channel.